What's going on, YouTube? Hope you guys having a good day, good morning, whatever you guys at. How to replace the brake pads and rotors in a Jeep Compass. That one right there, 2018. I'm gonna show you the engine I have. Boom. So now what? Check it out. I already have this one out. One of the bolts holding the brake caliper bracket, it's gonna be this one right here. But if you don't have this socket, I'm gonna show you how easy it's gonna be to replace it. So already replaced the left side, which is the driver's side. So now we're gonna go ahead and replace this one. Tools you're gonna need: you're gonna need the 14mm socket or wrench, whatever you have. You're gonna remove this one here and this one here and remove the caliper. Now to remove the rotor, you need to remove this one right here, which is gonna be this bite boy here. It's gonna be H5 to remove this one from here. Boom, just like that. Then we're just gonna lock it in place. So remove these two, this one here and this one here, with the 14mm. I have my impact, so that's gonna be using right now. Of course, first thing you're gonna have to do is lift the car. Use jack stands. 14mm. Remove this one here. Boom. This one here. Boom. Just like that. Out, out. Caliper is out. Like that. Put them on the side. Hang it for now, so your caliper won't get damaged. Now the trick part for these ones right here, which it was, see this one right here, it's like a torque, or I don't even know what the heck is that. This is what I use: 16mm with 12 points. So this one goes right in, watch. Boom, see? It has no play or anything. To get this one loose, I'm gonna have to fucking push down. Let me see if I have a lever with one hand. If no, I'm gonna have to use both. Let me try. Yeah, I need two hands. Let me try to get them loose. So I'll have better right here. So go here. That's loose. Now the beauty on these ones, you have ratchet on one side. So check it out. Boom. So that's how you're gonna remove those if you don't have the exact size, which I don't even have. So this worked for me. It will work for everybody with the 12-point 16mm. 16. So it is. If you guys want to purchase this, I purchased this full set on Amazon, and I should have the link in the description. Just click on it. You guys be able to buy it. So this thing works perfect. Check it out. Bam, just like that. Alright, so once you have done that, it's gonna be like on the other side. See, put the caliper in there, remove, get that out. And then to remove the pads, there's a little secret. I'll show you right now, watch. Let me go ahead and remove this one, get the bracket out. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the brake pads, because if you try to remove those there, it won't come out. See, it's getting stuck there, it's not coming out. So let me go ahead and do it. Alright, to remove the brake pads, you see a little tab in there. Boom. You can either push the one forward, push it in, it's not gonna come out. See, because you have the stopper in there. This one right here, this one right here, and it has a little stopper in there. You see that one right there? Right here, that one. So what you have to do, you're gonna have to push it in. Let me try to put this one here. Cut the little chingadera. This little chingadera. Boom. You have a little screwdriver, whatever you can use. See this one here? This one, you have to push it in. You push in, and then the thing comes, the brake pad come off like that and up. But obviously I need 2 hands, so yeah, you push that little tab in there. Yeah, that one right there, you push that little tab and the brake comes off. So yeah, and then to install it, you're gonna do everything backwards. Install the rotor, that little bolt, install the rotor, then hold it with this little bolt, tie it. If you want to torque it, give it 18 foot-pounds. If not, it's go by hand, and then half a turn. Rotor, this one, bracket. Always make sure these ones right here bounces, they're free. If they're not free, you see how it's moving freely, boom. See this one? It's freely, boom. Should bounce. If it does not, remove this and put some grease in there. Any type of grease, even a Vaseline if you want, or speed on it if you want. But it has to fucking move. That's what you need. Clamps. If the new pads comes with clamps, replace those. If not, I never replace those clamps because with the new ones they always touches, or they're bigger on they always make noise into the rotor, so always leave those original clamps, the shims. So put this one back on. 2 bolts. Torque, if you want to torque them down, give them to 40 to 30 to 40 foot-pound. If not, go all the way down and half a turn. I'll be good to go. No need to put anything on the thread, just put them tight, get them tight. Caliper, you guys already know. Push in the piston. What I use, let me show you what I use. Alright, this is the tool I use to compress the piston caliper. That's how you take them back. So yeah, that's the set of wrenches. Boom. I'm actually doing a giveaway of this. I'll have a brand new set of this one that I purchased. This is one side, it has a ratchet, the other one is solid. It's a pretty good set. 8 all the way to 19 millimeter. It's gonna be a giveaway on my Instagram, 13 Vidorito. You guys already know it. That's my Instagram right there. So make sure you go follow, because I'm gonna give out the rules so you guys can join. And yeah, I'm gonna give that one, and also 2 different giveaways, that set on a $100 Visa card. But yeah, thank you for watching. 2018 Jeep Compass 4-cylinder. Thank you. The Sport, by the way, but it's the same thing on the other ones.